Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to place some images in different area and how to provide amazing realistic look. So let's begin our tutorial. First we are going to take a new document. So we just click on file and then click on new, and I'm taking 1280 into 720 pixels because this one is the perfect size for your YouTube thumbnail. You can also take your own size of your document. For example, you can just make changes on width and height and then press create. Sorry, I'm not taking this one. Actually, I'm going with another one. I'm taking actually this one. So then just click on create. So our document is ready. Now we are going to place our first image for our background. So this is our background image and we are going to place this one. So this is our background image and we are going to place this one in our new document. So simply drag and drop this one in your new document. So you can see that the image is placed in perfect area. So we are going to zoom out the image by pressing Ctrl minus and simply adjust the size of our image. Then we are going to adjust our background image as per our new document. So I think this one is perfect. Just place little bit down. Okay, so this one is done, and take this sky image. Just select just click on rectangle marquee tool and select the sky image. This one is perfectly selected and we are going to place this one in our new document. Adjust the size of sky. Okay, and go to mask layer, take brush and make foreground color white or take black color. Sorry, make foreground color black or take black color and simply adjust the size of your brush and apply this. First we are going with 100%. We are going to just remove this line first, and now we are going to decrease the opacity. Just 10% is perfect for my work. So this is completed and we are going to merge this one. So just hold shift key and select the both layer and right click and go to merge layer. So this one is done in one layer. Go to crop tool and cut the outer side of this image. And now our next work is we are going to put our model between the city, in the middle of the city. So this is our model and we are going to put this one in the middle of the city. So just adjust the size of your model. This one is very simple. Just hold any dot of this area and simply adjust the size of this model. So this one is placed, and just zoom out your image by pressing Ctrl minus and again select your image one more time, and this time we are going to click on select and mask button and we are going to remove these lines. Then after complete your work, just click on decontaminated color and then just select new layer, then press OK. So you can see that the white colors are totally gone and it looks original. Our next work, we are going to make little bit changes on our model. So just delete the lower layer and go to filter, or I think filters, just go to curves and make little bit darker your model. Okay, You can see that the sky color and your model color is almost match. And now we are going to apply little bit masking on our model. So just click on masking layer. This is your masking layer, and go to brush tool and just apply masking. First decrease the opacity of your model. I think this one is perfect, that we can see both image, model image and our background image. And we are going to remove this, or we are going to apply masking on our model. So our masking is almost completed, and we just see how it's look. So it's look pretty awesome. And we are going to just correction our mistakes. So here is the little bit mistake, so we are going to correction this area. So this is almost done, and it's look almost original. So this is completed, and our next work is we are going to make shadow. This one is very important part. So what you have to, we just take a brush, make opacity 6%, select black color, and just zoom your brush size and apply this. And our another work, we are so this one is done. Just merge this layer, sorry, select both three layer and merge this one. So this one is done, and just duplicate this one, click on this layer and go to curves and decrease, sorry, simple merge, and again visible your upper layer, and click on mask layer and go to brush. Opacity is 8% is perfect, and simple apply this. So it's almost completed, and again take a new layer, go to brush, and this time take white, or you can take also gray color. Make opacity 8%, increase the size of your brush by using bracket key, and simple apply. So this one is done, and we are going to do our final work. Just duplicate this one, go to brush and make this time foreground color black, and apply black in that area. So and go to again, click on adjustment layer and select gradient, then press this one, then press OK, then press OK. Go to blend mode and select soft layer, and just adjust the color of your gradient. OK, and purple make little bit yellow, then press ok, then ok. So your work is almost done. Go to adjustment layer and click on photo filter, and this is orange. Pick up, sorry, I think orange looks better, then ok. So this one is almost done and it's completed. And do the final work. Just go to color balance and adjust the color. So hope you like the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you and goodbye.